Hey everybody, it's Herb coming to you from New York or Knoxville. And today we're going to take a peek at our potato plants. They just got to the point where most of the plants are really starting to look yellow and dying off. And so this is a good sign that it may be time to check to see if these potatoes are ready to be harvested. And if they are, that's great. What we'll do is we'll pop them in a bucket, and then that will start our second rotation of potatoes that we're going to be doing. So hopefully we were able to get some productivity out of these pots and these bags. These bags and pots look like they've been beat up by the sun, so the second round is probably going to go right in the ground. We're probably going to be tilling up some soil and then amending that and just getting a ground crop of potatoes going. So let's see how we're looking. All right, so we got a few pots here, and we're just going to cross our fingers and hopefully we got some production going on here. Okay, what's nice about pots is you can just kind of flip them over and see what you get. Oh, here we go. Got potatoes. I'll just put it right back in the pot. This dirt's going to be going over my squash vines because it helps them take root as they spread so that they can get more nutrition as they grow. So let's see. All right. These pots are undersized. I just made use of what I had here, so wasn't expecting too much out of this. Usually you want to have like 5 gallons or bigger when you're growing potatoes, and these are only like 3. But I still got something out of that, so I can't complain too much. Okay. We'll do the next one. Get some of these. Ooh, that's a big one. Here we go. Well, it's got like a little knob on it. Usually they get knobs on them when the watering hasn't been the most consistent, and we've had some crazy heat waves and up and down with the rainfall, and so that doesn't surprise me. Alright, then we got another one here. So each pot only got 1 potato, so if I see more than 1 potato, then that means it worked. We were able to grow some potatoes. Alright, let's see what we got here. That's a nice one. Okay. Live with that. And we got more over here. Got a whole bunch of them. One. Nothing crazy, but consistent. I think they'll probably do better if I put some of these in the ground. I'm going to do a very thorough tilling. I'm going to get some of these sprouted, hopefully, and then give them a lot more space to grow. But, oh, there's another one. Okay, not bad so far. Definitely more than I planted. Okay. Some of these got some holes in them. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Alright, got some potatoes. These are, if you haven't been following the channel, these are purple Majesty potatoes, so they have a nice, it's a little hard to tell, but when you clean them up, not only is the skin have a little purple, but so does the starchy part. Okay. Just gotta make sure we're not missing any. Sometimes you get these little ones hanging out in there. Okay. This one looks nice and dyed down. Okay. And I'm thinking that some of this, I might use a few more pots for the onions. I'm debating whether the onions are gonna keep going in pots or if I'm also gonna start putting those in the ground. Okay. Ooh, that's a big worm. It's like a night crawler. Go into my garden. Oh, that's looks like a nice potato. Okay. Good. Oh, there we go. This had a nice long stalk. I hilled these as I was growing them, so I don't know if it did any good. All the potatoes seem pretty close to the root where I first planted it. Okay, that's another one. Okay. It's a nice one. Alright, so I'm going to cut this off as part 1 of the video, and then I'm going to continue with part 2. So thanks for following, guys.